get some of your body butter, right? Just your body butter. Then add your oil. This is going to elevate your skin to the next level. Next level is going to work, and that's on 100. If you're new to this channel, you're welcome. I'm Fortune Talk Skin. I do amazing things here. I do skincare tips. I give you skincare tips that will not just give you a glowing skin, but will elevate your skin to the next level. Now you see this body routine I'm going to show you. This body routine is going to elevate your skin to the next level. Please don't forget to subscribe because you don't want to miss any notification, because I'm giving you guys back to back. You want your skin, right, to go to the next level. Now this routine is the perfect routine for you. And one good thing about this routine is that everything is complete. You have the repairing, you have the one that will do the repairing for you, you have the one that will nourish your skin, you have the one that will brighten and lighten your skin, and you also have the one that will give you the baby soft looking skin and also get rid of rough patches on your skin and also get rid of any discoloration and hyperpigmentation you're having. What do you need anymore? You don't need anything. This is the perfect combination for you. Now I'm going to show you how to repair your skin at the same time. Now this routine also helps to tackle fine line, anti-aging, and also help to repair damaged skin. Now this will also help you if you're having sagging skin, your skin is sagging, having skin laxity, your skin is just doing water, strong. This will to stimulate collagen and also help you to give you a very toned appearance. This will help you to give you a toned looking fame to promote elasticity. The first product I'll be showing you is the repair routine, is the repair combo. Now this is the repair combo. This is what you'll be needing first. This is the body. Now, this is the cocoa butter. This is a body butter. While this is what the Vaseline peach oil. Now this is my favorite oil now, and it has been doing amazing for my skin. I don't want to stay out on this oil. Now what you're going to do with this too is that you're going to mix this when you're applying it on your body. The way for you to use this product is for you to use them together. Now how are you going to use them together? Now what you're going to do is get your body butter, right? Get some of your body butter, right? Just your body butter. Then add your oil. This is going to elevate your skin to the next level. Next level, my guy. Besties, like, sis, this is going to elevate your skin to the next level. You're going to use this, apply it on your body after mixing them together, your body butter and your oil. Just mix them together, then apply it on your body. You're going to do this like basically like 3 to 4 times in a week. You're going to do this basically like 3 times in a week. Use it at night. The reason why I will say you should use it at night, you can also use it during the daytime, but I want your skin to deeply repair, because the aim of using this is to repair and blend your skin. One thing you need to know is that you see all this glowing soft complexion you're seeing, glowing looking skin you're seeing, tighten looking skin, right, and a very even tone looking skin is the power of body butter and body oil. And this two combo is your glow and repair product. You're going to use like 3 times in a week to give you that perfect glowing soft complexion. Now that doesn't mean you cannot use it during the daytime. You can use it during the daytime, but you can use it at night just to help to repair your skin, deeply moisturize your skin, and also help to regenerate your skin and nourish your skin, so that in the morning when you wake up, you'll be waking up and you're giving them back to back. Your skin will be screaming luxury. Your skin will be giving classy, like baby girl. Like your skin will be giving soft, succulent. I don't know what else to say. To be giving luminous and radiant. So this product, you're going to combine them together and apply it on your skin. You're going to see the dewy hydration is going to give you. Like you see the glow. It's 24 hours. Now the next product you'll be needing, you need a lightening bar soap, and you need what? A brightening body wash. So you're going to go for this. This is Alada soap. Then this is the Cosmo wash. Now you see this Cosmos brightening wash contains glutathione and papaya. This has carambola and white ginger that deeply help to cleanse your skin and deeply exfoliate your skin. This will help to brighten your skin. Now this soap should be used like 3 times in a week, and I would advise that when you're using the soap, use it with the body butter and the body oil routine at night 3 times in a week, right? That will just help to prepare your skin to use the body butter and the body oil, so that it will penetrate well and help to regenerate your skin, nourish your skin, repair your skin, and will also help to blend your skin. Now this brightening body wash, you can use it, actually use it brightening body wash morning and night. Yes, you can use this daily. This is your daily body and night routine. But the day you're using this your soap, you're going to use your exfoliating soap to wash your skin properly, then leave it on your skin. Don't wash it out, leave it on your skin for like 5 minutes, right? When you leave it on your skin, then you wash it out, then you use this to cleanse your skin again, then before using your what repair product. That's the body butter and the body oil. You see this body wash, one good thing about this body wash is that it actually helps to brighten your skin, get rid of dull skin, and also help with body spots and have a hyperpigmentation. You see the combination of this soap and this body wash, trust me, even though you do not do too much, right, you're just using this product, you're using this product and the body butter and the oil, that will just give you a desired result. Do you get? It's going to gently help to exfoliate your skin and also give you the perfect glow you want. Now this product will also help to repair your skin, remember, and also help you to even out your skin, to blend your skin, and also this combination will actually help to lighten your skin over time. It will brighten and get rid of any, you don't have any problem with dull skin. You don't have any problem with that at all. You cannot be having dull skin when you're using this combination. The last product I'll be showing you is the product that can actually help you with anti-aging, firming, tightening of your skin, and also help to stimulate collagen even more. The lotion also helps to brighten your skin. So remember, this is the perfect combination you'll be needing. You see this body lotion, this is a very good anti-aging body lotion. This has collagen in it and peptide. Now peptide will actually help you to stimulate collagen. Not just that, it will tighten and firm your skin, also help to promote elasticity. Now this body lotion is very hydrating. It's very lightweight, it's not greasy. When you apply it on your skin, it's just sink into your skin and goes in and do the job. It also have brightening ingredients in it, rice extracts. So you see, when you're using this combination, you're not just going to brighten up, it can actually help to lighten your skin, and you're using safe product. Remember, you're not using any harsh thing, yet you're getting desired result when it comes to your skin tone. You can achieve a perfect skin tone with this combination. You don't need to start using any harsh product on your skin or any harsh cream, especially if you're getting older. This is what you need to achieve that desired result, and you're going to get that desired result. You don't need to be using too much products. You don't need to be using any harsh skincare or any harsh lightening product that would now bleach your skin and give you discolored skin or damaged skin. If you're getting older, you don't need all of these products. If you really need, especially if you're someone that is suffering with sagging skin, your skin is already loose, you're having skin laxity, your skin is doing water, is not firm, this is the routine you need that can actually help to give you that tighter looking complexion, that tighter looking skin, firm looking skin, and also help to promote elasticity. Now this body lotion is very good when it comes to anti-aging, and this is the perfect combination that will work well with the product I've showed you. Now this body lotion can be used morning and night. You can use them morning and night. You can use the body lotion morning and night. So the routine is going to be, this is your morning and night body lotion. Your body wash, I'm going to use your body wash morning and night as well. But the soap, you're going to use it like 3 times in a week to exfoliate your skin. Since it's an exfoliating bar soap, or 4 times in a week is fine since it's the body. Then when you're using it that night, make sure you're using your glow product and your repair product. That's the body butter and the body oil. You're going to combine them together and use on your skin. My girl, trust me, your skin is going to elevate. Your skin is going to elevate. Your skin is going to look luminous. You're going to love your complexion, and you're going to thank me for this. This is the perfect routine you need if you want to get an amazing skin. I don't know what word to use anymore, but you see this product, you're not going to regret using them. You're not going to waste your money. You're going to get result, and you'll be happy at the end.